Hello, fellow travelers, guys. If you are flying with, China Southern Airlines, I'm going to show you guys how to check in online step by step. It's quick, convenient, and it can actually save you a lot of time at the airport. And guys, if this video actually helped you, make sure you subscribe, guys, to Appier Solutions. But until further ado, let's get actually started with the steps. So, step number one, guys, what you want to actually do is come here and click on a check-in. Okay, so you want to come to the official website of China Southern Airlines. You can go to here csair.com. Okay, or you can actually use the China Southern Airlines app. Okay, both options allow you to do online check-in. So once you find this option right here that says check-in, all you're gonna do is come and click on it right here to get started. So what's gonna happen, guys? They're gonna ask you to enter your information. Things like basically your booking details, right? You have to enter your ticket number, your booking reference, and the passenger's last name. All right, then you want to just double check the information to ensure that it actually matches your booking. Right now, they want us to log in with our account. Well, let me actually explain to you further on what happens and next after you enter your booking details. Then what you want to guys do, you want to select your flight. Okay, the system will basically display your upcoming flights. You want to choose the ones you actually want to check in for, and then you can also choose your seat. So you can select your preferred seat from the available options, and if you've already chosen a seat during booking, you can actually confirm it here. And once everything is filled out, guys, you want to submit the form and you'll receive your boarding pass. Okay, you can either download it, print it, or just save it to your phone. And basically, guys, when you arrive at the airport, you once you check in your luggage, you can head to the security with your digital or printed boarding pass, and that's it, guys. You're with your online check-in complete, you're all set to enjoy a smooth flight with China Southern Airlines. Guys, if this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, to Appier Solutions for more travel tips. Safe travels, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you're subscribed to the channel, I'll see you guys